Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Leon FR 1.4 ACT DSG finished in midnight black. Features on the car include daytime running lamps and full LED headlamps, 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, integrated LED indicators built into the mirror housing, the rear glass is also tinted as part of the standard FR specification. The rear of the car, there's parking sensors, large loading space with access to the 60/40 split rear seats that fold down. Car seats 5 in total. There's a black cloth interior. That's 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors that fold in. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 8,800 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, satellite navigation, hands-free calls and full link. It's also dual climate control, storage at the front with 2 USB ports and 3.5mm auxiliary, hill hold facility, and storage in the centre with an armrest and a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further details or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.